The monthly overview page. The monthly overview page has many hyperlinks, like links for each day, each week, and also a hidden hyperlink for Google Calendar View Day. At the top right, you'll see Next, Previous, and Google Calendar View Month buttons. Because their position stayed the same in both the old and new designs, so I don't need to change these hyperlinks. We see the name of the month here. By selecting it with the keyboard, we can change the color, font, or anything else we need to. We can also select all the week number hyperlinks and apply any changes you want. Keep in mind that we made these changes on the month page, not on the parent page. If you accidentally move the text frames, you won't be able to adjust their position later from the parent page. Now let's update the day names at the top. They are on the parent page for the month overview. Use the Type tool to click inside one of the day name text frames. Select all the text and change the color to dark red. Go back to one of the month's pages. Click inside a day-date text frame. Select all the text and set the text size to 10. I won't change the horizontal scale of the top tabs since they are the same in the old and new designs. Monthly Finance page. On the Monthly Finance page, we will update the Next, Previous, and Google Calendar View hyperlinks, but the top tabs will stay the same. First, let's change the style of the month names. Use the Type tool to click on the text frame for the month, select all the text and make all the letters uppercase. I noticed the month name is not aligned with the month tabs. To fix this, I'll go to the M2 Monthly 2 parent page. There, I'll select the text frame for the months and move it so that it lines up with the tabs. I'll make sure there's enough space so that even the longest month names, such as December or September, don't overlap with the tabs. I realized I missed adding Google Calendar View. So I will go back to Canva, add it to the design, and then export the file in PDF format. I'll then replace the old PDF with the new one, making sure to keep the file name the same, 2024 Digital Planner. Next, go back to InDesign and navigate to the M2 Monthly 2 parent page. At the top left, you'll see an exclamation mark. Click on it to update the links with the new PDF. Don't forget to update all the remaining pages. If you skip this, InDesign will ask you to update the links the next time you open it. From the parent page of Monthly Finance, I will move the Next, Previous, and Google Calendar View hyperlinks to their new positions. Then I'm going to create the hyperlinks for the Monthly Finance section. If you want to go to any month of the monthly overview pages, click on the tabs on the far right. But if you want to go to any month of the Monthly Finance pages, click on those tabs. Creating these hyperlinks is super simple. Let's begin. First, I'll head to the M2 Monthly 2 parent page and draw the linked text frames. They need to be on the hyperlinks layer so they stay hidden under the Digital Planner images. Using the Type tool, draw a rectangle that covers all the months from January to December. Then, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to divide it into 12 text frames. Hold down the Control key while using the arrows to adjust the distance between the text frames. After that, go to the Hyperlinks parent page and copy all the Monthly 2 hyperlinks. Then, return to the M2 Monthly 2 parent page and paste them into the linked text frames you made earlier. We see that the text didn't show up because the words are longer than the text frame. Select all the text again and modify the horizontal scale. Then select all text frames and center the text with the vertical justification option in the Properties panel. Make any other necessary adjustments to ensure the black highlight covers the hyperlinks area. It's important to save a copy of your file by using Save As. This way, if there's a problem, you won't lose all your progress.